appreciate.
Weche mag somo riwruok jopuonj man KNUT omiyo duol mochung'ne ndiko jopuonje tich Teacher Service Commission ndalo 14 mondo gibag twak matimo lokruok e winjruok ma kanyakla mar CBA mar bero ngima jopuonj mane gitimo higa ma 2021. Ka giloso gi jofwambo boma Mombasa, jagoro maduong' mar KNUT Collins Oyu yango ni ne gisendiko barua ne duol mar TSC kaluwore kod pek mar ngima kendo koro gidwaro mondo med jopuonj osara. Oyu osiro lwedo paro ma duol manyocho chuo gi jatend piny mang'ado rieko e weche mag somo mar ni japuonj mag ECD ondiki gi piny owacho ma ok tend counties kaka timore sani.
ECD was most unfortunate that the county governments took the role to employ ECD teachers. And you know, they're employing teachers who have TSC numbers. So it beats logics. You have a TSC number from Teacher Service Commission, the sole employer of teachers. Then you're employed by the county government. It couldn't make sense. ECD is devolved to counties. But now that the Presidential Working Party has made a very clear proposal that remuneration for ECD teachers shall come from Teacher Service Commission, it therefore follows that Teacher Service Commission shall employ ECDs. And I think that will be a plus in line with what we should do as teachers in terms of quality assurance and even our work in schools. The Salaries and Remuneration Commission stopped us from negotiating anything monetary in 2021. But now that it lifted the caveat about negotiations, we are out and we have written to Teacher Service Commission and have given them 14 days to bring us to table so that we start review of the non-monetary CBA that we signed in 2021. We cannot forget that the economic situation in this country is so biting.